What do some people do that allow them to be successful? Why are some teams able to remain competitive annually when others rise and fall like the stock market?
Well, welcome everyone to our 6th annual Jim Moran Institute Business and Leadership Conference. We have a great day planned for you.
It's a conference for business owners, entrepreneurs, nonprofit leaders, as well as their team managers. And we want to have those leaders of the businesses here and give them a good one-stop shop for information for the day and inspiration to go forth and do great things in the community.
I think it's critical to have an event like this, a leadership conference that brings together groups from the for-profit world and the nonprofit world.
Diversity and inclusion really
It
matters.
gets great minds thinking. The networking is amazing. The people here are dynamic, they're engaging, they're powerful thinkers.
I want to know, how did he keep that team focused? And if you create the proper culture for your team, behaviors follow.
Putting on this event is the main purpose is to help businesses grow and expand by preparing for the future.
Do you plan to expand your product offerings?
And so the essence of entrepreneurship is what you do. It is coming up with the problem, identifying an opportunity, create the venture, and then sustain the venture.
Upfront granolas are sold in Florida, the Midwest, and we just landed a large retailer on the East Coast.
This event
Okay,
gives
let's bring up
business
our
people knowledge. It gives them support, and it also gives them a great networking opportunity for your business to grow, because you can see that you're not alone in what you're trying to achieve.
Our speakers all usually donate their time, so they're giving of their time and they want to be here to help you as a business leader.
Well, I'm Mayor Wayne Messam from the beautiful city of Miramar. You know, this is my first JMI conference. I'm very excited to be here and look forward to a productive and great sessions for you all.
It was an opportunity. You know, you're never too old to learn. And this is certainly a place where you can learn. You know, the speakers bring a lot to an individual's business. In addition to the ability to network with your neighbors, share what's going on in your business. I would recommend this to anybody, a startup, someone that's been in business for 2-3 years, or if you've been in business for 20 years. It doesn't make any difference. Like I said, you're never too old to learn.
I'm standing here today to show that the entrepreneurial spirit has no age limits. This is the most exciting, thrilling, educational, and personal growth time in my life, and thank you for the opportunity to pitch to the editor.
So some people are in their first year of starting a business and some people are in their 20th. And I think that's the neat thing about this conference, is it brings businesses together from all levels and all stages in their business. And there's something to offer for everyone.